God, I place this day into your hands. Before the noise begins, before the worries return, I choose to rest in you. Guide my thoughts, steady my heart, and help me to move through this day with patience and grace. When I feel rushed, slow me. When I feel overwhelmed, ground me. When I feel uncertain, remind me that I am not walking alone. Let my words be kind, my actions thoughtful, and my spirit attentive to your presence. Help me to notice the small blessings, the quiet moments, the kindness of others, the strength you give without being asked. Whatever this day holds, I trust you to meet me in it. Lead me gently. Hold me steadily. Amen.